Welcome back to the step-by-step guide on how to import shoes of different sizes from 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Edufish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see step by step on how to buy shoes in different sizes on 1688 Chinese shopping app. All right, so the very first thing we need to do is to open our 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open my 1688 shopping app. Then after you open up your 1688 shopping app, it's going to load up this way. And there are so many ways to source for an item on 1688. One of the first ways to source for goods is to type the keyword of the item you are looking for in the search engine right here, and you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can use this camera icon right here, which stands for image search. What you do here is to simply click on the camera icon, upload the picture of the item, then you are going to see a similar result. Then from there, you can select a supplier. Alternatively, you can simply scroll down just like so. So the more you scroll down, the more the item is going to load up, as the case may be. All right, so this particular supplier here is what I'm going to buy shoes from their store. So next thing I'm going to do here is to simply click on the product link right here. Having clicked on the product link, it's taking me to this page. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to proceed. All right, so from here, I need size 27. I need just one. Then I need size 30, just one. So having selected the two, next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to add it to cart. So product successfully added to cart. So let's go back to the top right here and check on another product from the same store right here. So this particular one right here, I'm interested to purchase this. I'm going to click on it straight up. So it's going to open up to this particular page. So next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to add it to cart. Then from this one here, I need size 28. Then I need size 34. I have to scroll down right here, size 34. I need just one. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to add it to cart. So successfully added to cart from the same store. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to fill my cart. All right, so we're going to have these shoes here in my cart. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to select items. Successfully selected. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to checkout. Then from the checkout right here, next thing I need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure my Alipay is checked. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to payment. Then I click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. So payment done, successful. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to close the bump up. Then I have to go back to my profile. Go back. So for me to view my profile, I need to click on here. By the time I refresh my profile, the shoe we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. Just like so. So we have all the 4 different shoes right here. So basically, this is how to buy shoes in different sizes on 1688 Chinese shopping app step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688. Lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.